Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you in this new video. Today I'm going to talk on Rikkibi.com reviews, and this website is quite a talk of the town, especially in the United States. So let's proceed further and know more about this website. Also, do like the video, share and subscribe the channel. So this website does not belong to us, and we are here to give you an unbiased review regarding this website. Now let's see what this website has. It has collections for women, kitchen supplies, dog accessories, apparel, etc. And if you want to know the mode of payment, you can click on one of the product and scroll down. You need to click onto the buy product. Here is the icon. So in case you click onto the product, you need to click on to click to order, and then continue shopping. And here you need to enter your details. So as such, there is no payment of mode explained, and neither it is depicted. Let's find out about its other information as well, about its shipping policy. So on the top of the website, they have mentioned that they are offering free shipping on orders over $60. Let's click on to its shipping policy link. So there is no shipping policy separate link. Now let's proceed further and know other legitimacy checkpoints, and this will help us to know about this website more. So its HTTPS protocol was detected, and it was found that this website belongs to a secure HTTPS connection, but when its website age was determined on WHOIS, it was found that this website is registered on 24th of March 2020, that is last year. So basically this website is not very much old. And now let's find out the other information regarding this website. So let's click on to the other information like about us and contact us page. So they do not have any about us or contact us page, which is again a negative sign. They have just written a customer service information, and they have given the support line, that is 1-866-773-4448, and the email ID is support@rikkibi.com. So other information is missing. Now let's click on to the refund policy. If you have any queries regarding the return and the refund, you can mention in the comment box as well. They have mentioned that their policy lasts for 30 days, and all the procedure is mentioned in the refund policy. Now let's find out that whether they have any customer reviews. So if you click on to one of the product, like supposing you are clicking on to dog accessories, you can see the customer reviews are just next to negligible, because this website does not have much of traffic. And if you click on to this other search engine and its social media icon, the Facebook page of this Rikkibi just have 1 star, and hence this rating is also very much low. And also the reviews are next to negligible. And if you want to check the trustability of this website on various other search engines, so on Scam Advisor it was detected, and the trust score again is too low. because it is showing high risk at Scam Advisor. So, on the basis of all the legitimacy checkpoints, it has low website content quality, it has plagiarized content, no business owner name or address, neither it has about us and contact us separate links, and no mode of payment as well. And also its trust score is very low on Facebook page and other social media handles. On the basis of it, I would like to say that this website is not to be trusted on right now. Let it grow a bit and gain some traffic, and so that other customers can give some feedback over this website, only then invest the money over this website. So right now it is a suspicious one. If you have any queries regarding the return or the refund, you can click on our description area and get the links to get the money back. So if you have any thoughts regarding this website, do mention in the comment box. Also, do like the video, share the video, and subscribe the channel. Thank you.